Imagine a world where technology doesn't just aid creativity. It amplifies it, transforms it, and propels it into realms we never thought possible. Welcome to the age where digital dreams become reality. Today, we're diving into how cutting-edge tech is pushing the boundaries of creativity like never before. First up, virtual and augmented reality. No longer just the playground of gamers, VR and AR have become powerful canvases for artists and creators. Picture stepping into a virtual art gallery where you don't just view the art, you walk through it, around it, become part of it. These technologies are transporting us to fantastical realms, blurring the lines between the real and the imagined. Artists worldwide are harnessing VR to craft three-dimensional masterpieces that challenge traditional notions of art. And the best part? You can explore these creations from anywhere in the world. No tickets or travel required. Next, let's talk about artificial intelligence, our new creative collaborator. AI algorithms are analyzing vast oceans of data to inspire and generate content alongside human creators. From composing original music to crafting mesmerizing algorithmic art, AI is helping us push the envelope of what's creatively possible. Think about it, a symphony co-written by a machine or a painting envisioned by an algorithm. It's a fascinating fusion that redefines authorship and sparks new forms of expression. Now, onto blockchain technology, the unsung hero empowering digital ownership and collaboration. For artists, blockchain means securing their creations like never before. It ensures fair compensation, prevents unauthorized copying, and builds trust in the digital art marketplace. With smart contracts, artists automatically receive royalties every time their work is sold or used. It's a decentralized revolution that's reshaping how creators share and profit from their work. Have you heard of generative design? It's a game changer in architecture and product design. By inputting specific goals and constraints, designers let algorithms generate thousands of design options, some of which might never have been imagined by the human mind. This means more sustainable buildings, products optimized for performance and aesthetics, and innovative structures that push the boundaries of form and function. The future skyline might just be shaped by these intelligent algorithms. And who could forget 3D printing? What started as a prototyping tool has evolved into a medium for personalized creation. Artists and designers are now bringing intricate, customized pieces to life. Think of avant-garde fashion that's straight out of a sci-fi movie, or complex sculptures that were once impossible to fabricate. 3D printing is democratizing creation, allowing anyone with a vision to materialize it layer by layer. Finally, let's delve into the world of creative coding. Programming isn't just for software and apps anymore, it's a vibrant medium for artistic expression. By writing code, artists generate stunning visuals, interactive installations, and even virtual reality experiences. This fusion of technology and art has given rise to a community where the only limit is the imagination, and maybe a few lines of code. These technological innovations aren't just tools, they're extensions of our creative spirit. They're enabling us to dream bigger, create bolder, and share our visions with the world in ways we never thought possible. So, what's your digital dream? If you enjoyed this journey through the future of creativity, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content.